What is mesothelioma? Mesothelioma treatments option. Mesothelioma treatments remain disappointing. Mesothelioma treatments have a better prognosis in early stage, and in mesothelioma treatments, to find a cure is very difficult. This is the fact of mesothelioma treatments. Mesothelioma, also known as malignant mesothelioma, is a rare form of cancer that occurs in the protective lining that covers many of the body's internal organs, also known as mesothelium. Mesothelium is the lining of the chest, lungs, abdomen, and also the heart. Mesothelioma is usually caused by exposure to the hazardous agent called asbestos. Mesothelioma is a rare disease, but the symptoms strike more than 200 people each year in the United States. The symptoms of mesothelioma basically take times to appear, and sometimes up to 30 years, between exposure to asbestos and the start of the disease. Mesothelioma occurs in 1 per 1 million of the population. The incidence rate is higher in male gender than in female. The incidence rate also increases by age. However, the disease can occur in either man or women at any age. Mesothelioma is found to be in highest incidence rate in Britain, Australia, and Belgium. However, mesothelioma is still a very rare disease. There are 3 main types of this disease. The highest one is pleural mesothelioma. It is called as pleural because the mesothelioma mainly affected the lining of the lungs. The incidence appeared for up to 75% for pleural mesothelioma. The other 20% of the case are peritoneal or pericardial. Peritoneal mesothelioma affects the abdomen, whereas pericardial mesothelioma when it affects the heart. The symptoms of pleural mesothelioma are related to the respiratory system, which includes shortness of breath, fever, coughing up blood, and breathing difficulties. The sufferers also have acute chest pain. Pleural mesothelioma is related to the inhalation of asbestos fibers. Asbestos fibers reach the lungs through the nose or mouth, and they build up in the lungs. Then, they travel through the tissues. Since they are light and invisible, they become easily airborne and inhalable. When the asbestos fibers build up in the mesothelium lining, the mesothelium cells start showing abnormal behavior, thereby leading to mesothelioma. In this disease, tumors are formed in lungs and mesothelium, and this may also spread to other parts of the body too. Pericardial mesothelioma is a rare form of mesothelioma, and the main site of attack is the linings of the heart. The main symptoms of pericardial mesothelioma are chest pain, breathing difficulties, fever, palpitations, tiredness, and cough. Like all other types of mesothelioma, there is no cure for this type also. The only thing that doctors can do is to reduce the pain and discomfort of the symptoms and help the patients have a comfortable and peaceful death. This is called palliative care. There are many mesothelioma treatments and mesothelioma treatments option available. Mesothelioma treatments include surgery, radiation therapy, and chemotherapy. The mesothelioma treatments depends on the patient's age, general health, and stage of the cancer. There has been much mesothelioma research have been done to find the new treatment methods. Mesothelioma is a bad dream to the sufferer. Not only does it take years for the symptoms to appear, but there are limited mesothelioma treatments and drugs that will prolong the lives and improve the quality of life in mesothelioma patient. Hope that this article can bring information about mesothelioma and mesothelioma treatments. Hope this article can help you to know the real fact of asbestos-related cancer. Someone who have a history of prolonged asbestos exposure and have the symptoms should seek medical attention. Prevention is better than cure. This type of cancer's treatments are very difficult in the latter stage. Try to be alert on the sign and symptoms of mesothelioma in the early stage. It can result in better treatments or a better prognosis.